Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with a broken display, and David here is gonna replace the broken display with a new one. Let's go! So as you can see, there's also cracks on the back of this device, but in this case, we're not going to replace the back cover, only the front one. And since we're going to reuse this, we're going to preserve the form of the back cover by taping it over so that shards of glass will not fling out, and of course the glass will remain intact while we remove it. It's also protection from the sharp edges of the broken or cracked glass. And right at this point, we can see that the screen is really busted and it's evidently fallen on its side. As you can see, the damage on the side. And now we're going to proceed to the removal of the back cover. We're going to be very careful this time. Some repairs, we're going to dispose the back cover. This one is gonna be reused, so we're gonna do the best we can to make the damage less noticeable. Although for the long-term solution, you can either put on a phone case, preferably the non-transparent one, or you can just replace the back cover. Back cover is almost off. We're just gonna cut the adhesives on the final side of the glass. And there you go, it's off. Now we have access to all the screws. We're gonna undo them and remove the shroud for the battery and the main board. So the S21 Ultra has two boards. You can see the main board at top, then the battery, then the daughter board at the bottom. All the flex cables that are from the daughter board are routed over the battery through these thick flex cables. Now we can detach all the connectors to the main board. Usually they are buttons or front cameras and other devices. Main board is now off. It also includes the camera module. We're gonna detach the cover for the daughter board and remove it from the chassis as well. So when we replace the front display, we're also gonna replace the entire chassis. As you can see here, we're gonna remove the final piece, which is the battery. And here you can see that there's already cutouts on the replacement display for all the components. So all we have to do now is to transfer or transplant all the components that we have removed from the old display to the new one. So if you want to perform your own Galaxy S21 Ultra screen replacement, it's relatively straightforward. You don't have to deal with another glass, like you have to remove it from the main chassis. But the tricky part is finding a reliable supplier of front displays. If you want to buy it through Amazon or eBay, just be careful that you don't get ripped off or get sent a defective front display. So this is where the services of Sydney CBD Repair Center comes in. We source the parts for you, perform the repairs, do the troubleshooting, and you might as well get a warranty after the repair. So less hassle for you and guaranteed functional smartphone after the repair. Because sometimes when you do something DIY, things can go south pretty quickly. You either damage the board or damage the battery, or some flex cable gets broken off, which is not easily repairable compared to your front display. The old back cover is gonna go back in. Still gonna work as usual, but aesthetically it's not really optimal. But hey, it's working. So if you like this video guys and you have questions, leave us a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch out for our next upload of new repairs which can inspire you or give you a solution to your current problems with your smartphone. It's now done. Thanks, David. See you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.